Was live first to a media briefing by Union Minister Venkaiah Naidu.
जाना चाहिए तो नोटिस देना पड़ेगा, इसलिए सबको हमने अवगत कराया। लोगों ने आपका और मुख्य रूप में जीएसटी इस सत्र में लाने के पक्ष में है। हम लोग सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से शुरू से ही बातचीत करते रहा, गवर्नमेंट से भी बातचीत करते रहा। काफ़ी मात्रा में इसके बारे में सहमति है और कुछ लोगों को विषयों के बारे में अभी आपत्ति है। तो अपने स्तर पर मैं भी उन पार्टियों से बातचीत करूंगा और प्रधानमंत्री ने खुद परसों अपना इंटरव्यू में उन्होंने खुद कहा किसी के साथ मिलकर पर्सनली बात करना चाहे तो उसके लिए प्रधानमंत्री भी खुद तैयार है। तो इसलिए सरकार जीएसटी बिल लाना चाहते। मैं सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से अनुरोध करना चाहता हूं, कृपया ये बिल बहुत जरूरी है, देश के हित में है और देश का वित्तीय स्थिति और भी सुधारने के लिए और भी मजबूत करने के लिए जीएसटी बहुत जरूरी है। इसलिए मैं आशा करता हूं जीएसटी बिल अगला मानसून सत्र में पारित हो जाएगा, ऐसा मुझे विश्वास है। मेरा सभी पॉलिटिकल पार्टी से प्रार्थना है इसमें मदद करने के लिए मैं सबसे अनुरोध कर रहा हूं। और साथ ही साथ जो फॉरेन ट्रिप्स वगैरह है उसके बारे में विदेश मंत्री ने कहा जो भी जरूरत है तो वो सदन में चर्चा के लिए तैयार है। और अन्य जो भी विषय आता है वो 3 ऑर्डिनेंसेस है। एक मेडिकल काउंसिल ऑफ इंडिया का ऑर्डिनेंस है, एक डेंटिस्ट कोर्सेज के संदर्भ में ऑर्डिनेंस है, एक एनिमी प्रॉपर्टी बिल लास्ट टाइम पारित नहीं हो पाया, उसको दोबारा हम लोग री इश्यू करना पड़ा, वो भी सेशन में लाना पड़ेगा। सो 3 ऑर्डिनेंसेस आर देयर। So friends, today the Cabinet Committee on Parliament Affairs met. All the senior ministers were all there. Even fortunately, Prime Minister also was there. Home Minister, Finance Minister, External Affairs Minister. Myself, of course, I coordinate it always. So it was decided to call the monsoon session of the Parliament from 18th July and to continue up to 12th August. We'll have around 20 working days. And then we have also called the meeting of all the ministers of the Government of India, discuss with them about the proposals, if any, from the respective departments to be brought in the form of a legislation. And we have told them they have to be ready and give notice before 3rd July because the rule says you need to give 15 days notice to the Speaker or to the Chairman. So we have reminded honorable ministers and told them about the procedure, reiterated what is the process, etc., to make them more familiarized with these rules and regulations and the procedure. And around 25 bills, I have told them they have to be prepared. Rajya Sabha, there are 45 bills pending. Lok Sabha, 11 bills are pending. Some of them are referred to standing committee. The standing committees have completed their study and some of them have come back. I asked the ministers to find out the latest position vis-a-vis their respective bills, talk to the secretaries and prepare for giving notice for the bills. One important bill we would like to bring is, as I told you, GST, Goods and Service Tax Bill, which is very important in the larger interest of the country, particularly in the view of the volatile situation in the world economy. India has got a great opportunity. If we are able to get GST passed, Indian economy will grow further. The estimate says 1.5 to 2%. Keeping that in mind, I appeal to all political parties to please cooperate in passing the bill. We have spent enough time. We have made enough study. 5 ministerial committees, finance ministerial committees, from Asim Das Gupta to Sri K.M. Mani, have studied this bill in depth. Finance Minister had in detailed discussion with the finance ministers and chief ministers of the states also. Political parties have been spoken to and some of their concerns also are addressed. By and large, I am of the view
that we have a wider support and we have enough numbers on the GST, but we would like that every party, because it will have effect on the states also, the government want to get the bill passed by a consensus. That is our effort. We are working in that direction. We'll be talking to other parties who still have some objections or some suggestions to be added, if any. And in addition to this, 3 ordinances has to be replaced. One is the Enemy Properties Amendment Ordinance, which is pending, which was reissued. Second is the Medical Council of India Ordinance. The third one is Dental Council of India Ordinance. These 3 ordinances also will be brought before the session. In addition to this, what has happened with regard to NSG or other related issues, foreign trips, as and when required, as per the situation available and request made by honorable members, the External Affairs Minister has said she is willing to make a statement on all those important issues. This is about the meeting today. I am not going to talk anything about cabinet because that is not my subject.
As GST is a constitution amendment bill, the House needs to be an order. In that regard, Congress's support to bring Congress on board is very necessary. Have you initiated a stepped up efforts in this direction?
No, we have been continuously engaging with all parties, including Congress. We will continue to have a dialogue with them also and try to convince them also to see that number 1, House is in order. Number 2, it is passed with two-thirds majority. And number 3, if possible, by broad consensus without any opposition. The voting will be last option. I am not talking about it as on now because I am confident the ground level situation at the state level, every government is in favor of the GST. So the political parties, while formulating their stand, they will keep the ground level realities also in mind. That is my hope. As a Parliament Affairs Minister, I want consensus. If the consensus is not there, then of course we have already spent enough time on GST. We must get it approved in the next session in the larger interest of the country.
Thank you.
Thank you. Dhanyawad sabko.
Parliamentary Affairs Minister Venkaiah Naidu there briefing the media after the Cabinet Committee on Parliamentary Affairs met, and it was decided that the monsoon session of Parliament will take place from 18th July to 12th August, and of course the government will try to push forward the GST. That's crucial on the legislative agenda of the government and how it is going to benefit the entire economy and the nation. The minister there was also talking about that he is hopeful and the government is hopeful of a smooth passage and smooth functioning of Parliament in this monsoon session, and that it is ready to reach out to the opposition once again for the good of the nation and for the smooth functioning of Parliament, and that it is hopeful that the opposition will cooperate in the smooth functioning of Parliament. Of course, the minister there also said that they'll appeal to all political parties for a smooth functioning and that the government is ready to discuss and debate each and every issue threadbare that's concerning the nation. The minister there also spoke about 3 ordinances that are going to be taken out.